21 F150. It's about to be pretty extensive build. Customer's local. If you're local, you know who it is. Seth. Goes by Ian. Bone stock 21 F150. We just had a buddy of mine color match the bumpers. About to drop it here. It'll be a 3.5 drop. Gonna get some Bellic wheels on it. Bone stock work truck. Nice quiet motor, crispy. Doesn't even know what's coming to it. Gen 4 motor. These 21s are newer, so we're gonna see what we can do with these Gen 4s. I've seen a couple of people kind of push them, so we're gonna see how far we can go with it. I'm willing to push it all the way, and the customer is too. So we're gonna go a little crazy with this build once it gets up and going. It's a base on-3 kit that it's getting for now, and then as the build progresses, like everything else, I'm sure we're gonna change it up and get a nice kit in there, or at least an intercooler and some other little stuff. So here it is before it gets torn up. It's going in the shop. So I'm also curious to see how much these 21s weigh, the way it is. I'm assuming they weigh somewhere in the 4,500 pound range. Could be wrong. I'm gonna put it on the scales and find out. What do you say it's gonna weigh?
4250.
4250? I say, hold on, let me, I think it's gonna weigh, it has empty tank, so 4425. What'd you say?
4250.
All right, go for it. It's way heavier.
Yeah.
What'd you say? 4350?
4250. Damn. 4550.
I told you they're heavy, and it has an empty tank.
And it has big tires too.
That's how much mine weighed, like 40 or something. But I figured because they're aluminum, they'd be lighter. Because mine are steel. But I mean, this one does have big tires. So, all right, we'll see how much it weighs afterwards. truck. Yeah, it's hitting the lift, right? Yeah, because you can tell it's still tall in the front. We have to use a jack. We did wheels. We took the spare out, and we took the muffler and the tow hitch. Go for it. Dang, bro. Shake it a little bit from the door. Just shake it. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that's 50 pounds. Damn. Told you it was in. Oh, it's close then.
Yeah. 4290. Has an empty tank though. Yeah, and then if we do seats and the other little stuff that we got for it. Yeah.
Oh, the same foot. I honestly like it like this.
Yeah. We should have left the Hoosier letters on there.
I could flip it still.
Nah, that's fine.
I don't know about what the...
Yeah, I guess you can. The front looks fine. The rear looks kind of goofy.
Yeah.
All right, we have to put the, we gotta get in the alignment right.
Let me tuck everything down. And,
The camber, I guess they're pretty good for the first.
Yep.
Where it's at. I think I want to put a little bit more negative camber in it, to tell you the truth.
this one looks like it may be...
I think it's the toe. It's sticking out the front. That's good. I started my YouTube, bro. I started my YouTube. I started my YouTube. Yeah, bro. I'm a professional, bro. I'm gonna make sure that doesn't show up in the video. All right, we're back. This dropped on the 3.5 kit. It's a vast kit with Kel-Track shocks. Has a little bit of a lean to the back, so I might have to adjust the front coilovers a little bit. I think it's a little bit too tall in the front. It has the alignment done on it. Once I drop it, I'll realign it. The benefit that we have is that we have our alignment in-house, so if we ever need to change something or whatever, we can just go in the shop and change it ourselves. So we need to put the traction bars in it still, but other than that, looks really good. The wheels look real good on this truck since it's black. It pops out. So probably in the next video we'll be doing brakes and diffs, front and rear diff. That, or we may start on the turbo kit. Either or, we're gonna do one thing or the other. We're doing it step by step, so we're doing one thing at a time. That way we can just stay more organized. I just like doing it better that way instead of tearing up the whole truck at once. And sometimes it's cool like that and whatnot. We're just busy with other cars, so right now it's best for us to, now that it's dropped, we'll do the brakes and diff next, and then possibly the turbo kit next after that, once that's done, or vice versa. So, but it's really good now. Customer was happy. I met him at a car meet, local car meet, and I told him, hey, just show up there. I'll have your truck ready. So he actually has another set of wheels. These are not really his wheels. These are the wheels for my truck, because I have an F150 We're still waiting on his. So he has a 17-15 combo, and we are going to do the brake. We have to do the brakes in order to do the 15s in the rear, obviously. So we're doing a 15x10 Bellic in the rear, and it's a 17x9.5, I believe, or 9.5 or 10 in the front. So once we do the brakes and stuff, it's likely gonna go to that combo. Although he liked this combo a lot, because his are actually powder coated black. So I told him before we did it, I was like, I think this combo will look really good on your car. And he's like, no, let's just do black. Anyways, we'll see. Once his wheels come in and the brakes are done, we're going to try the 15 rear and 17 front, but in black, to see if he likes it or not. But there she is.